Start with the onions. Cut them in half and then slice them into very thin strips. Pour the onions into a hot saucepan with a bit of olive oil, a little salt, and let it cook gently. In the meantime, I can salt the surface of the pork loin, which I have already laced with some sprigs of rosemary, salt on all sides, and massage to allow the salt to really penetrate the meat. Place it in a hot pan with a little oil and turn the roast to sear it on all sides. When the roast is well browned and seared, we can put it aside for a moment, and then move on to deglaze the pan with some white wine, letting the alcohol evaporate. Emulsify it like this, and our sauce is now perfect and ready to be poured on the onions. Let's season that with bay leaves and some sage. Add the roast to the pot and pour the milk over top. Cover with the lid and cook that over medium-low heat for about 70 minutes. See you later. Here is our roast, it's ready. Let's put it aside in a baking tray for just a moment. Cover it with plastic wrap. This will keep our pork loin warm. At this point, I can remove the aromatics and start creating our delicious milk sauce. Let's blend what's on the bottom of our pan. If the cooking stock is too liquid, let it cook for a few more minutes until you get the ideal consistency. Once the liquid has thickened, add the butter. Now to plate it, guys, I'm sacrificing myself just for you. Time to taste. It's incredible.